Welcome to our overview of the nervous system. We'll cover its basic structure and essential functions. Let's start with an introduction to this complex but fascinating system. The nervous system is the body's master controlling and communicating system, regulating almost every function. It performs three core functions: gathering sensory input, processing that information through integration, and executing motor output. The nervous system is structurally divided into two primary parts. First, the central nervous system, or CNS, consists of the brain and spinal cord, acting as the main command center. Second, the peripheral nervous system, or PNS, is made up of nerves that connect the CNS to the rest of the body. At the cellular level, the functional unit is the neuron, specialized for transmitting signals. Dendrites receive incoming signals, and the cell body, or soma, contains the nucleus and is the metabolic center. The axon transmits the signal away from the cell body, and the myelin sheath, a fatty layer, acts as insulation to speed up transmission. The synapse is the crucial junction between neurons, where signals are passed chemically using neurotransmitters. The peripheral nervous system includes a subdivision called the autonomic nervous system, or ANS. The ANS handles involuntary body functions, such as your heart rate, breathing, and digestion. The sympathetic division activates the, quote, fight or flight response, preparing the body for stress and action. Conversely, the parasympathetic division promotes rest and digest functions, conserving energy and maintaining homeostasis. The brain and spinal cord are incredibly delicate and require multiple layers of protection. The primary protection comes from bone, specifically the skull and the vertebral column housing the spinal cord. Additional layers include the meninges, 3 protective membranes, and cerebrospinal fluid, which acts as a shock absorber. Finally, the highly selective blood-brain barrier prevents harmful substances from the blood entering the delicate brain tissue. That wraps up our basic overview of the nervous system structure and function. Good luck with your studies. Remember the key concepts: the structural organization, the functional unit of the neuron, the divisions of the ANS, and the protection mechanisms for the CNS.